Kulthum's second question was that if a wife commits adultery and she's not pregnant, and the husband finds out, either by her confessing to him or him catching her red-handed, as they say in the cookie jar, and he wants to forgive and pardon her, is this advisable, or he must divorce her? This depends on the person. It depends on the man. See, there are many factors that govern this situation. Factor number one, does he trust his wife? And what she had done was a one shot in a lifetime, a one mistake that he knows that she will regret till the end of her life, and she doesn't know how she fell in it. This is one factor. The second factor, was it because of him and his neglect? Did he neglect her and was flirting with other women, or was occupied with his business and job 20 hours a day without leaving any room for her and her human desires? Factor number two. Then there's a third factor. Is he the type who forgives and pardons and forgets, so that he could live the rest of his life trusting her, loving her, caring for her, without bringing it up again? Or he's the type of a person who every couple of days or every couple of weeks he says, yes, you did this before. I need to see your mobile. I need to check on your emails. Show me your Instagram account. Give me your password. I want to know where you're going. Take this GPS location decider so that I can know where you're going and when you're heading. And also put this, which allows me to hear what you are saying and talking to others. Hey, if this is the case, divorce her and let her move on with her life and live like a human being. If you want to enslave her like this, if you want to imprison her in solitary confinement while she's still alive, living with you, she's better off without you. You're better off without her. But if you know that you have a big heart and that it's a one time, and you know your mistake, and you know that this was shaitan, it's a heinous crime, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that she smoked a joint, for example. No, that's adultery, punishable by the death sentence, and your children can be affected. You don't know whether they're yours or not. Shaitan can come. But if you know that this was once in a lifetime mistake, and you love her, you trust her, and you know how remorseful she is, in this case, yes, if you can forgive, that is much better